Hello Fierce Loves, you are back with me, Elizabeth, your girl with a fierce style. So for this video, I am finally going to share with you your most requested Micheal Kors bags collection. Earlier behind me were my Micheal Kors bag collection. They're here on top of my bed, but there's two more right there on my what do you call that? On my dresser. No, I cannot remember which one was my first one, but yeah, I'll show them to you one by one. So let's go ahead and start with the most unique in my collection, and it's this backpack because I only have one of these. Okay, so there you go. Now it's focused. And it's a very nice backpack. I use this all the time, and I use this for traveling also. And when I was going to school, I believe the name of this one, if I'm not mistaken, otherwise I put it on the screen, was like NYX backpack. The color is in soft pink, and I will give you the style number. So there's a pocket here, and then a pocket in the front. We have rose gold hardware over there, and it's quilted at the back, very nice and comfy, adjustable backpack strap. And then on the inside, we have a compartment right here. Oh, look at me. I still have this one, right? Oh, good. Okay. I usually do not remove it. I'm weird like that. Oh, there you go. Here. Yeah, it is really a NYX backpack in soft pink. There you go. No, this bag is not so new. I've used it. It's just I keep those. So there's some Micheal Kors in there, and it's leather. I just have an organizer here for my backpack. So that's the first bag that we have right here. And this is another one. I am not sure if I made a video of this because I was looking and I didn't see. I have an unboxing on and the review on almost all of them. And the ones maybe I did a video and then I wasn't able to edit. This one right here is a little bigger, and this is called a Cindy medium Saffiano leather dome satchel in Sakura pink. It's quite big. It's perfect for like when you use it for work, you use it for office, and it goes like this. You can work like so. Yeah, and it also has a long strap, so it's just not so busy outside, not so much design or detail. And then inside it goes like this. There's two pockets over here, and then one zipped compartment. We still have that Micheal Kors leather logo over here. And yeah, so there's a difference between a Micheal Kors retail collection versus the outlet collection, and you will see it from the inside wherein there's like a diamond logo on the lining. I mean, like Micheal Kors on a like diamond, if you get what I mean. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Then which ones do I have only one of? I think I can probably go and grab this one right here from the white. Okay. So this bag is super memorable because I've always wanted this one, but I was late on the game. I wasn't able to buy it right away. And then when I wanted to buy it, we don't have it in Sweden. I can only see it in like international websites, like in the United States. When I went home to the Philippines last year, 2022, I saw this one on the airport in Thailand. It's on sale, so I bought it, and it's pretty amazing. I really like this. The studs right here are like multi-chrome, so many colors depending on how the light hits it. And then we have a neon leather trim of different colors, neon orange, neon green. Just super pretty. It has feet. It's super nice. And this one is called the Manhattan medium leather with a top handle, and the color is optic white. And yeah, I really love almost all of my bags, about 85 to 90% have top handles and a leather strap. So this one has a leather strap. Even the leather strap has a super cool trim. So this one I would never ever let go. I love this one. Even though I wish that it was the smaller size, but there's two sizes for the Manhattan. One is like smaller and does not have a top handle, and then there, and you can find a lot of the sisters of this one on the Micheal Kors outlet stores, but they're not the outlet designs. This just happened at the end up there. And so this one is the Micheal Kors Hendrix bag. It's a very nice leather. It's one of those very stunning leathers of Micheal Kors, and then I bought this from Enco, which is our like high-end shopping mall here in Sweden. I saw it and I was like, I gotta take that home. Super stunning. I love the size. I just wish that it has a top handle. So when I display it, I do it like this so it looks like it has a top handle, but no. This is the smaller size. There is a bigger size, which is what they say was a dupe for Pochette Métis. So that's how it looks. And this is the strap. It's quite long, so it goes cross body. And yeah, so we have two compartments right here, two slit pockets over here, and then another one right there. I always keep the cards and the tags of my bags, so when I do the videos, I know how to reference them. Yeah, so did I mention that this is in the color navy? And if I didn't, then now I did. Oh, it even says extra small. So it's the extra small size for the Hendrix, and I love this so much in navy. So I went to a phase that I really was in love with navy or midnight blue or like the dark blue, and so I got 3 bags, that one and this 2. And also I fell in love with this design of Micheal Kors, the Carmen bags, and I have quite a lot and they're coming soon. All right, so this one first. I have a video with this together with a sneakers. Yeah, so this one is called the Micheal Kors Carmen Extra Small Quilted Belted Satchel. And as I mentioned, color navy. I really like this style where there is a magnetic flop right here that you can open and close like so. There's MK in there, and there is a chain that's quite cute. It doesn't have any other designs at the back or no pockets, but at least it has feet right there and top handle. And most of the Carmen bags are like this. This is the same design. This is how it looks inside. And this one has a strap, of course, because at the end of the day, when I wanted to be hands-free, when I go to the grocery, I wanted to just be able to have my bags crossbody. And then during the day, when nothing yet, like you hold it like this, like this one, or on the crook of your arm, like so. So that's the first Carmen I'm going to show you. And I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Carmen bags. Yeah. Should have been 7. I returned the white color of this one and I kind of regret that. But yeah, so this is the next one right here, and I really love this one. I really hunted for this. But guess where I found it? On the Micheal Kors outlet store here in Gothenburg, Sweden. So it's so stunning. It's Colorbock. It has this mock croc, like crocodile print. So stunning. Yeah, we still have the chain, and here it's like dark green, and then we have a navy in here. I love the combination of the color. So looks like that. Of course, this one is bigger than this one because this is the extra small and this is the small size. And yeah, this is how it looks inside. Pretty much the same. Slit compartment right here, and then a zipped pocket right there. And of course, we have the strap, which is the same color as the handle. Super love how this is color blocked. And I love this way too much. I got 2. The other one, I have to really look for it and search for where I could find it. And then I found it on eBay in the United States. So this has to be sure. No, sorry. No. It's ebay.com, but somewhere here in Europe. Yeah, that's right. And it's this one. So they're pretty much exactly sisters, just different colors. I know, because I was trying to look for the details of this bag, but I didn't see. I don't know if the tag was here. Oh, here's the tag. All right, so this one is What's that? Yeah, it says embossed leather, but it says full sought. Oh, I do not understand. It wasn't super clear on that side. It's like jumbled letters. Super weird, but yeah. So this one is another one which is a little bit more of an orange, but the same, of course, like I mentioned. Where's the strap? Oh, there. And this one has a brownish strap together with the handle, about the same. Very pretty color block that complements each other. It's so stunning. So I have two. There's three that came in this collection. The other one was yellow. I wasn't able to grab that, or then I stopped looking, so I don't know if that's being sold elsewhere or eBay or whatnot. And then we go on to another one. Oh, there's another extra small right here. Alright, so this one right here is a beautiful Carmen, which is one of my favorites from my collection. And this one is Carmen extra small color block. Belted satchel in the color soft pink. I was reading the tags right here for cheat sheet. Okay. Yeah, I used this a couple of times, took a photo of this a couple of times, featured it on my Instagram. So white strap right here, so pretty. As well as white leather trims on the inside part, and then a little bit of white and gold combination for the chain and white handle. So stunning. I love how this is color blocked. It's super pretty. So that's that. And then I have two more. So I have another small one. Sorry, if you see my bra. Alright, so this is the small one right here. And this one I am going to sadly let go, just because there's this girl who wanted to have a nice bag, and I don't know which one I will let go from my collection. I look at which one am I using less, and it was this one. But seriously, this is very, very pretty anyway. It's called the Micheal Kors Carmen Small Collar Block Logo Belted Satchel. It's a mouthful. And then the color is called Ballet Multi. And this one is pretty unique because it has a different Micheal Kors canvas in the color that complements each other. So we have a smaller one here, we have white and gray, and then we have a darker mauve right here, or maybe dusky rose rather. We have gold for the hardware, and then a smoother leather for the top part and for here on the handle. It's a super, super beautiful, super stunning bag. And the girl who will be having this, Divi, I hope you take care of it, and I hope that you love it because this is super stunning. Alright, so I have a change of outfit because I'm gonna need to go super soon. But this is the extra large, or was it just the large, of the Micheal Kors Carmen. If we are going to compare it with the small, it looks like this. I don't think there's a medium. There's like a large, a small, and then an extra small. Oh yeah. So that's how I have three of the Sohos. I should have like a lot more, but I returned the other ones because I find that the leather will not be perfect for me, or that scratch easily. So I just keep the ones that are for me are the best. So of course I have the beautiful dark berry Soho crinkled leather in extra large. Very, very pretty. And I have a video of these comparing. I think I'll put here on the screen, and I'll put it on the description down below. Yeah, I have a specific video for this one. I love it so much. This was an unboxing video. Yeah, and more details about this bag is there. So that's the extra large, and this is the small one. And this is in the color camel, if I'm not mistaken. And then, or was it? Let me see. I have a cheat sheet over here. That will be luggage. Sorry, color luggage. And then I have a pale pink, if I'm not mistaken, or soft pink for the extra small. But I'm sending this to my mom because she would like to use that one. So yeah, I made a video of all of these. I'm pretty sure or like one by one, and I think I did a comparison video as well. So that's it. I did not miss anything. I'm sorry, I am really in a hurry, but yeah. So there you go. And thank you so much for watching this video. So yeah, love you all. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. Check out all my back videos. Love you.